So why do we need him?
This job gets very stressful, Mr. Krabs.
All right, get lost, all of you. You're fired. Go on, scram. Get out of here, you moochers. That's right. Keep moving.
You know what?
Except you, you stay.
Don't let your kids what's it?
A fancy restaurant as soon as possible. Patrick, what are you doing here?
I thought the Corps would help me straighten out my life, sir.
The Corps? What the... Pat, this isn't the... Oh. Well, beggars can't be choosers. Can you take hats in a dignified and sophisticated manner?
You mean like a okay. Don't let your kids what's it?
Boys, you're early.
Look, Mr. Krabs, clean floors.
Clean tables, Mr. Krabs!
Don't let your kids what's it?
Tartar sauce.
Don't let your kids what's it?
Front end. Check. Antenna. Check. Bumper. Check. Bumper. Sticker. Check.
Don't let your kids what's it?
Gee, Patrick, do you think Squidward was trying to tell us something?
Yes, I was! You call yourselves good neighbors? You're the worst neighbors ever! You don't deserve to wear those fezzes!
Gee, Pat, maybe President Squidward's right.
Yeah, I guess we aren't good neighbors after all. Don't let your kids what's it?
Who are you?
Why, I'm Squidward.
What kind of fool do you take me for? He's Squidward, you're Squidward, I'm Squidward! Are there any other Squidwards I should know about?
Meow.
I'm out of here.
Don't let your kids what's it?
This was all my fault. I was the one who wanted to relax on Sunday. Now, if you'll be so kind as to leave so I can get ready for work tomorrow.
Mr. President, sorry. I just wanted to...
Don't let your kids what's it? I guess I'll have to find a new best friend.
Hey, Squidward!
No!
Don't let your kids what's it?
What are those Neanderthals up to? Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
Don't let your kids what's it?
Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts.
Chocolate? Chocolate! Chocolate!
Don't let your kids what's it? Don't let your kids what's it? Before you know it, they're gonna be eating sports candy and moving and running and jumping and dancing and being healthy.